up, man?
What's going on?
Are you doing no shave May?
Pardon?
No shave May?
Yeah, I'm gonna grow it out. I'm gonna be a mountain man.
Yeah, there's no one in this in the States doing what Brian's doing.
No, not at all yet.
Yeah. Looks awesome. It looks so different than the last time I saw it. So you're gonna do like just the back window? Are you wanting to do like the whole thing?
That's what I was thinking.
Like, so we're gonna remove that and then.
Yeah. I was thinking to do something, the map, so I can draw a red marker where I'm going, and I don't know, maybe we can, I don't know if you can cut out like little camps or like a tent.
Yeah,
I can put where we camp, and then have spaces where people can sign it when I meet people at superchargers. I think that'd be kind of cool.
So it's actually wider than 38. It's actually about 41 by 35.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Annalene.
I'm Brian.
That's
Nice
my
to meet
wife.
you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm hungry and pregnant.
Had a quick error. This is an artistic choice that we made to cut it right in the middle of Texas and Florida. Because, I mean...
Well, I'm not driving down there, so
Yeah.
we decided to...
No, we ran out of media and it got caught, so we ended up, instead of doing it again, we're just going to cut it. Logo looks great, though, that roof
Logo
vest.
is perfect.
Man, that looks
The
awesome.
whole thing looks great.
Yeah. Love it.
So I think it looks good. A couple hiccups along the way, but I think it's still going to look great. I mean, the car's already damaged, so. But I think it's going to be awesome. It's awesome to see exactly where we're going, where we're going to be at.
Yep.
So I appreciate it.
Sweet. We're excited, man. So you're going to go all the way, all across the United States.
From border to border and back and forth, 8,000 miles in this all-electric car.
In 25 days.
Yeah. And sleeping in that. It's a rooftop tent, and it's crazy. I know. But it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, we're excited, man. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
And hashtag Tesla's gone wild.